So in this video, we are going to unbox BOYA BY-M1 Pro Laravel microphone. So the packaging is changed, and over here you can see the serial number at the bottom. So this is the new packaging. So let's just unbox this BOYA mic. So first we have some accessories. So let me just open it. And we have a clip and DSLR connector. So these are the accessories. And this is the pouch, BOYA, and we have stickers, official stickers, and one manual. So this is the manual, and we also have this warranty card. So we have 2 years BOYA official warranty, so you can claim the warranty on the official site. So you can see the terms of warranty, and you can also go through this manual. And then we have our mic, BY-M1 Pro. So this is the quality certificate from BOYA. And this is our mic. So we have 2 buttons in BY-M1 Pro, and we can also connect our headphones while recording. So we can use the first button to turn off and on for camera, and the other one is for DB control. And we also have this QR code over here. So we can verify this product from this QR code as well as from this serial number. So let's just see, and let's just verify this product on the official BOYA site. So let me go on the site, and this is the BOYA site, and this is the link, and I will provide the link in the description, so you can just use this link. And first you have to log in. First you have to sign up and log in, and then what you have to do is you have to enter the code on this link. I will provide this link, so it will verify if the product is a certified product from BOYA official site or not. So over here you can see, and this is BY-M1 Pro, and it's a certified product. And you can also check the QR code of the mic. The QR code is provided on the mic, so you can check it with this QR code as well. So this product is certified. And over here they are also saying that the packaging is changed. So this is the old packaging, and this is a new logo from BOYA. Correct? So this is how you can verify your BOYA mic on the official site. Thank you.